Welcome! If you have noticed Geeky videos automatically downloading on your WhatsApp for PC after the new update and taking up too much of your storage space, don't worry, there's an easy fix. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to stop videos from auto-downloading on the desktop version of WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Once you're inside, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see the sidebar where all your recent chats and options are located. Next, click on Settings. This is where you can customize how WhatsApp works on your device, including controlling how media files are handled. Inside the Settings menu, select Chats. Under the Chat section, you'll find an option called Media Auto Download. This is the key setting that manages which types of media automatically save to your device, like photos, documents, and of course, videos. Now, to stop videos from downloading automatically, simply uncheck the Videos box. That's it. Once you do this, WhatsApp will no longer auto-download videos in your chats. Instead, they'll stay in the conversation until you decide to click and download them manually. This small change can make a huge difference. It helps you save valuable space on your computer, keeps your downloads organized, and gives you full control over what gets saved. Plus, it's a great way to prevent unnecessary files from cluttering your storage or slowing down your system. Remember, you can always return to the same settings later if you ever want to turn auto-download back on. WhatsApp's updates often adjust how media works, so it's always good to stay familiar with your settings and check them now and then. And there you have it. Your videos will no longer auto-download on WhatsApp for PC. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply these steps today and enjoy a cleaner, faster WhatsApp experience.